model selection and cross validation. In this session we are going to learn about how to validate the model, what is the best model for the data that we have chosen, and what are different types of data sets, what are different types of errors, what exactly is the problem of overfitting, what is problem of underfitting, what is bias, what is variance, what is bias variance trade-off, what is cross validation, tenfold cross validation, k-fold cross validation, etc. What is bootstrapping and how it can be used for validating the models. What is model validation? Model validation is nothing but checking how good is our model. It is very important to report the accuracy of the model along with the final model. So I mean, we can build many models, but if they are not as accurate as the other ones, then we might not be able to use them everywhere. The model validation in regression is done through R-square and adjusted R-square, whereas in classification techniques and logistic regression we have used measures like confusion matrix, accuracy, etc. In fact, we have used only confusion matrix and accuracy. There are many more validation measures for classification problems. So here are some of the metrics for validating the classification problems. Confusion matrix. Within confusion matrix we can derive specificity, sensitivity, ROC, AUC curves, KS and Gini, concordance, discordance, chi-square, Hoshmore-Lumsrow chi-square, lift curves. There are in fact many more. In fact, all of them are measuring the model accuracy only. Some metrics, they work well with a certain class of problems. Confusion matrix, ROC, AUC, most of the times they are sufficient, but in specific problems we use metrics like KS, Gini and lift curves.